Let's take one example on op-amp circuit. Design an op-amp circuit to obtain output expression as VO is equal to minus of V1 plus 3V2 plus 5V3. So here we supposed to design a op-amp circuit which produces the output as this statement. By seeing this statement, we can say that it is the expression similar to the output voltage expression of op-amp which is used as a adder. We know that op-amp summing amplifier which gives the output as VO is equal to minus of RF by R1 V1 plus RF by R2 V2 plus RF by R3 V3. So here we have three inputs. So I have written here RF by R1 V1, RF by R2 V2 and RF by R3. In my lecture 4 I have explained about op-amp as summing amplifier. Now compare this equation with this equation. We can say that here RF by R1 is equal to 1 because here coefficient of V1 is 1. Here coefficient of V1 is RF by R1. So I can say RF by R1 is equal to 1. Similarly, we can say RF by R2 is equal to 3. And similarly, RF by R3 is equal to 5. Now designing means we supposed to calculate the R1, R2, R3 and RF values so that we can draw the circuit and mention all the values. So now to solve this equation, that is RF by R1 is equal to 1, we supposed to assume RF value. Once if you assume RF value, we can easily find R1, R2 and R3 values. Now let RF is equal to 10 kilo ohm. So if RF is 10 kilo ohm, then here I can write RF by R1 is equal to 1. Therefore, R1 is equal to RF, which is equal to 10 kilo ohm. So now we found the value of R1, which is 10 kilo ohm. Now similarly, here RF by R2 is equal to 3. Therefore, R2 is equal to RF by 3, which is equal to 10K divided by 3, which is equal to 3.33 kilo ohm. Therefore, R2 is equal to 3.33 kilo ohm. So now finally we have RF by R3 is equal to 4. Here I can say R3 is equal to RF by 5, which is equal to 10 kilo ohm divided by 5, which is equal to 2 kilo ohm. So therefore R3 value is equal to 2 kilo ohm. So now we found all register values, that is R1, R2, R3 by assuming RF value. Now we'll try to draw the op-amp summing circuit. As we know, here we have three inputs, and here as we know in the given expression we have three inputs and there is a minus sign. This minus sign indicates that it is inverting amplifier. It means the inputs, all inputs V1, V2, V3 are given to inverting terminal of the op-amp. That's why it produces the output as negative. I'll draw the circuit here. This is negative, this is plus, non-inverting terminal is grounded, and to the inverting terminal feedback resistor is connected, and its value is RF, which is equal to 10 kilo ohm which we have assumed, and here we have R1 with voltage V1. R1 value we have calculated as 10 kilo ohm. This is R2, its value is 3.3 K. This is V2, and another resistor R3 is connected here, which is R3 is equal to 2 kilo ohm. This is V3. So this is the circuit which is required. So here output voltage VO is equal to minus of V1 plus 3V2 plus 5V3. Thank you for watching.